Good day everyone, we are Group 10 and today we'll be presenting the topic clearly rephrasing the problem when transferring to a higher level representative. We're here to guide you through this important aspect of effective customer service communication. And our group member is Adrian De Jesus and also myself, Janel Vigorous and Mark Ortiz.
Objectives. Understand why clear replacing is important. Identify key components of an effective escalation. Learn to avoid common and communication mistakes. Apply best practices to real-world scenarios.
Clear phrasing is important because it ensures that the person taking over fully understands the issue without confusion or misinterpretation. When we summarize the problem clearly and accurately, it saves time, avoids repeated questions, and helps the higher level representative provide the right solution more efficiently. And it also shows professionalism, improves internal communication, and helps maintain a smooth customer experience.
Key factors. Fully understand the issue before rephrasing. Make sure you clearly know the problem before trying to restate it. Use clear and simple structured language. Speak or write in a way that is easy to follow and well organized. Avoid assumption or technical jargon. Don't guess detail or use complicated terms. Include only relevant and necessary details. Share only the information that's important and needed. Common mistake to avoid. Using vague or incomplete description. Make sure your message is clear and includes all necessary details. Skipping over previous steps taken. Always mention that what has already been done to avoid repeating action and save time. Making emotional or accusatory state. Stay professional and neutral to keep communication productive. Forgetting to mention urgency or impact. Explain how urgent the issue is so to get right attention.
Best practices. Summarize the problem in 1 or 2 clear sentences. Provide a brief, specific description of the issue to ensure the main concern is immediately understood. Second, add a short timeline of actions already taken. List key steps or attempts made to resolve the issue so far, including dates if irrelevant, to avoid duplication and show progress. Include customer expectation or deadlines. Clearly state any time-sensitive needs or specific outcomes the customer is expecting to ensure proper prioritization. 4. Confirm understanding before escalating. Restate the issue and what's been done so far to make sure everyone is aligned before passing it on to another team or level.
When we rephrase the problem clearly before escalating it, we create a better experience for everyone involved. First, it helps the higher level team resolve the issues faster because they immediately understand what's going on. Next is, it improves teamwork and communication inside the organization since everyone is on the same page. Then third one is, it reduces back and forth conversations, saving time for both the customer and the team. And finally, clear communication builds customer trust and increases satisfaction, which is always our goal in customer service. In conclusion, clearly rephrasing the problem when escalating helps ensure smooth communication, reduces misunderstandings, and leads to faster and more effective solutions. When the issue is properly explained, the next representative can respond with accuracy and efficiency. Thank you.